Do you think FinTech 2.0 will be ruled by how these technologies are able to evolve, make it more easier for people to access FinTech? Right now, which Supasna also said, that only the first surface has been reached through beyond the banking space. Do you think this AI, machine learning, new technologies will be able to, help or assist FinTech companies in the present avatar to really reach that last mile?
Hi. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for having me. No, I definitely think, if you were to describe FinTech 1.0, it's largely, what Upasana talked about, Mr. Khara talked about, where the rails have been laid, right? We have UPI, we have the account aggregator framework, we have the digital public goods on which the country is building on, which means that all of these platforms are getting a lot of data. And I think, you mentioned artificial intelligence. We're just starting out there because now that the data is becoming available, a lot of people are looking at how do you make sense of such a large amount of data and drive innovation towards that, right? For example, a simple thing is a bank statement today through the account aggregator framework. We get the raw information. I think the real challenge is going to be in how much we can squeeze out of that raw information. It's just not a question of, maybe credit and debit and some analysis, so to speak, but can I go deeper? Can I create a behavioral score? Can I look at clusters of what you're saying, whether it's 1, 2, 3 segment population, and can I get some intelligence and insight out of that on which I can offer a financial product? And I think it's going to get to that level, and I think machine learning and AI will significantly power some of that. And we've seen all the large financial institutions and the fintechs invest heavily in this space. We know we are investing heavily in this space. Our behavioral scores are used by several financial institutions to be able to make a decision in terms of a profile of business behavior or a, so I think FinTech 2.0 is really going to push down that way, is to make more sense of that data using some of this newer technology. It's just that I think right now the technology is really new. A lot of people, we don't necessarily have the skill set even at a large scale to be able to employ that. As in India, previously we had a lot of people used to do, it didn't matter what degree you did a 1-year course and you came and then you became a computer engineer. I think we're going to get a lot of AI engineers like that, which, and so it's really going to take some amount of work before we come up with these really solid, robust solutions, which is where I think fintechs can play a role.